The importance of prepositions. Prepositions are one of the most critical parts of our language because they can also change the entire meaning of your sentence. Unfortunately, they are also the most overlooked pieces by ESL students. For this reason, we encourage students to practice using them. If you can master prepositions, you'll sound much more natural. Here are the 25 of the most common prepositions. Of, in, to, for, with, on, at, from, by, about, as, into, like, through, after, over, between, out, against, during, without, before, under, around, among. There are two main types of prepositions to learn. Prepositions of place. This one is concerned with the directions, location, and place of an object. It tells you where something is. Where? Right behind you, or I'm at work. Examples of prepositions of place. In, at, on. At work. At the bus stop. At school. At the top of the page. At the end of the street. At the stoplight. At the front desk. In the newspaper. In the garden. In Mexico. In London. In a box. In my room. In a taxi. In a building. In a car. On the internet. On a page. On the wall. On the table. On the floor. On the carpet. On the menu. On the bus. On the plane. Next, prepositions of time. This type of preposition describes when something happens. It's about understanding the time an event occurs. When does it happen? It begins at 9 p.m., or we'll do it on the weekend. More examples of prepositions of time using in, at, on. At 3 o'clock. At 10:30 a.m. At noon. At dinner time. At bedtime. At sunrise. At night. At the moment. In May. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the summer. In 1985. In the 90s. In the past. On Sunday. On Tuesdays. On June 9th. On Christmas Day. On my birthday. Conclusion: achieving new skills, whether in English or any other subject, is never easy. It takes time and effort. But it is worth it because you feel happier with your level of English. You may have heard the saying, practice makes perfect. You can also say that practice makes permanent. Use this video and our practice lesson listed below to finally feel confident using prepositions. On our practice page, you will find the opportunity to listen, write, and speak prepositions. Combining these activities together is the best way to master this topic.
Thank you for watching a New York English Teacher video. For more online lessons, quizzes, and free practice, visit us at our website, nyenglishteacher.com.